In this video, I will show you how to launch a store on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to launch a store, what you can do is you can head over to this particular URL, which is admin.shopify.com. Once you have done this, head over and click on this Create Store. And then from in here, it will show you this particular thing. It will ask you which of this describes you. So if you're already selling person, just choose this one. Or if you're starting, just choose this one. Now, once you have chosen one, click on the next option, and they also have further questions for you. So for example, for this, I'll just choose not sure right now and click on next. And it will ask you what you plan to sell. For me, I'll choose drop shipping and click on next. And then in here, it will ask you for your country or region. So as of right now, I'm in the Philippines, but if you're in the United States, just scroll and just look for the country that you're in. Once you've done that, click on the next right here, and then this will load this particular Shopify theme. So as you can see, it will actually redirect you to the sign up page. And you can see that it's actually loading right now, and it will create your store in just a few minutes. So let's just wait for this right here. So this is what the dashboard looks like once Shopify has actually created the store for you. So you can see in here a setup guide. First is to find products to sell, add a custom domain, customize your online store, name your store, set your shipping rate, set up a payment provider, and place a test order right here. So once you have clicked on one of them, you can also see in here a button that will direct you to the specific thing. Like for example, this add domain that can actually help you set up this particular store of yours. So once you have clicked on any one of them, it will help you set it up. And you can see in here the products. You can add in here the product that you want to sell. And you can also see in here your online store, wherein it will show you what your actual store will look like at first. So you can see in here your actual store theme, and you can head over and click on this customize option right here in order to open your Shopify editor, and you can edit out any specific details that you want change on your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.